Hello, welcome to my very quick video today on my new pocket knife. It's an N-Lan. I've never really heard of N-Lan before, but I found this on Gearbest for a couple of pounds. I was looking for a knife with a very small blade that's non-locking, and this came up. It's only 1.5 inch long blade, all stainless steel, has a loop for putting on your keys. Came relatively sharp. It is 8CR18 MOV steel, so usual Chinese standard. It has a very strong back spring. Don't know if you can hear that. I had to use WD-40 to loosen it up, but it is legal to carry in the UK. That's a size. Yep, a size comparison with my hand. It's smaller than a Swiss Army knife. I was looking for something very small to put in one of my kits that I make for work. I did buy another small one the other day, a different pocket knife, but I feel that's probably better suited for putting on keys, whereas this will slide comfortably into like a small tin. So not bad for a couple of pounds. We'll see how long it lasts, but there we go.